myself Santosh. I do have around 9 years of experience working in IT industry, and currently I'm working as manager in Microsoft. My core experience is towards data science, data engineering, and data analytics project. Currently, I'm managing around 8 projects, and total I have worked with around 80 projects from different domains such as banking, healthcare, insurance, e-commerce, and retail. And I'm a certified trainer taking training for KSR for the last 5 years.
In the last class, we have designed a page, that is the home page. Inside the home page, I've added certain images, I've added one button, and I've also made sure that we have all this renamed properly. And this is an app. Okay. Now, if I go and play this app, you can see this. Okay. But doesn't look good to see in the doesn't look good to see on the screen. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to see this on my smartphone. I'm going to see this on my smartphone. Okay, so let's just give me a minute. Let me connect my smartphone. Just give me a minute. I'm trying to connect. Okay, now this is an app I have. This is a apps I have. Okay, this is my smartphone. Now I have built one app. This app I need to open from my smartphone. Okay, so what I can do, the name of the app is PPD third app. Okay, I can never go to this Play Store. I can never go to the Play Store, and I can never search like this. PPD Power App. I cannot search like this. The reason is this comes under a different platform, which is a Microsoft app only. Okay, if I search, you will not get it. Don't go and search in the Play Store. Instead, you have installed something called Powerapps. If you see here, this is something which you have installed called Powerapps. The moment you open the Powerapps, the credentials which has been given to you, that is from the KSR credentials, you should be able to log in, and you should be able to see this. Okay, now this app I want to see in my mobile now. So what I will do, I have saved it, and this is a play or a preview button which will automatically open like in your screen only. There is something called publish. You go and choose this publish. You go and choose this publish, and it simply says that I'll go and edit it. Maybe I don't want this name, PPD KSR app. Okay, I'll just give the name KSR PPD app. Now I'll go and publish this. Publish this version is there. Simply I will go and publish this version. Simply I'll go and publish this version. Now let's go and see if that is available in our mobile. Okay, that is available in our mobile. So what I'll do, I'll go and search that app. I'll go to all apps, and the app that I have built is, what is the name of the app? PPD KSR. PPD KSR app. Now this is the same app that I've published now. Okay. Now I should be able to see this app now. Let me open it. Let me open it. And this is the same app that I can see in my screen now. Okay. So this is the same app that I can see in my screen now. Now one thing which you need to identify is this app, everything is good, but if I click it, nothing is happening. If I click it, nothing is happening. Okay. Now I need to go and do something so that it goes to the next page. It goes to the next page. Okay. Very easy. Just understand what I'm doing. On this tab, okay, on this tab, you can set some color changes, and you can set some fonts. All these things you can do, right? This is a button properties. In the left side corner, there is something like a drop down where you can go and see overcolor, overfill, italic, padding, all this you can see. Okay, these are all called triggers. These are all called triggers. Now, if someone clicks this on select, something should happen. Something should happen. Okay, listen carefully. Slowly, we are trying to have a dynamic app. Someone clicks this page. In this page, someone clicks this button. Automatically, it should go to the next screen. Automatically, it should go to the next screen. So what I'm going to do, if I click this, on select is there, right? On select is there, right? For on select, someone who selects on the button, you have to write one logic, which is called, sorry, it's not on select. We'll see what operation we can do if I click it. Navigate. I will go and say that you have to navigate to the login screen, and I'll go and close it. Okay. Now what I've done, if someone clicks this on select, please go and navigate. Navigate to where? Navigate to the second page. That is login page. Now let's try this. On select, I'll say navigate. It should actually populate it. I don't know why it was not populating before. But now if someone clicks this button, I will go and write one function which is called navigate. So the syntax for navigate is, it is saying navigate is the function and the target you need to give where you need to log in. So I will say you have to log into login page. So I'll simply go and say login page, that is login screen. And this green color tab, if it's showing, that means it's actually a navigating to this login screen. And that is why naming conventions are really important. The moment someone clicks this on the trigger, on select trigger, you have to go and write a navigate, and where you will go and populate to navigate screen. I'll go and save it. Now I'll go and play it. If I go and click this, automatically it is going to the second screen. Now I want to verify this in my mobile. I want to verify this in my mobile. So if I want to verify this in my mobile, if I click it, it will not work. Reason, I have done the changes. I have done the changes, but unfortunately I have not published it. So I'll go and publish it. Publish this version. Publish this version. Okay. Now the moment I publish this version, I'll go here. Again, I'll close it and open. The moment I open this, on top you can see that a new version of app is available. Tap to update now. Just now I've done some changes and I've republished it, and that's why it's showing. I'll go and click it. Now it's actually updating. Now if I go and click it, it's going to the next page. Good, right? Now let's come back now. Let's come back. I have to go and set all this functionality now. WhatsApp, Facebook, okay, YouTube, Instagram, all this I need to make this work. So what I'm going to do, listen carefully. The moment if I click Instagram, this is an Instagram image. Okay, this is an Instagram image. By chance, if anyone clicks on it, by chance, if anyone clicks on it, that is on select, actually it is set to false. If someone is selecting this on select, it is actually going to false. False means nothing is happening, but I need to set one functionality. What functionality I need to select is, if someone clicks this, it has to go to the Instagram page of KSR. So what I'll do, Instagram, KSR Data Vision, Instagram account, Instagram page. Now this is a Instagram page, official Instagram page of KSR Data Vision, right? Now this is a KSR Data Vision's official page, and you can see that all this details about the course, all this we would have mentioned here. Okay. If someone clicks this, if someone clicks this, automatically it should go and show to this. It should go and populate to this screen. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy paste this Instagram.com. Okay. I'm going to copy this, and in the on select, I'm going to write one function called launch. I'm going to write one function called launch. The moment anyone clicks on the Instagram, it has to launch, and it has to launch to this address. It has to launch to this address. Where did I get this address from? It's a URL. Of course, if I copy it, it will copy as a HTTP request, and it will go as this one. Okay, it's a launch. Correct. Similarly, now I need to go and launch to the YouTube. So I'll simply go and search KSR Data Vision YouTube channel. And this is a KSR YouTube channel. And in this KSR YouTube channel, we can see that this is a URL for launching your KSR. I'll copy this, come back to Power Apps, select on this image. In the drop down, go and select on select. Instead of false, if someone clicks on this YouTube, you have to go and say launch. And in the launch, you give some quotes and you write this URL and you close it. Now, if someone clicks this YouTube, automatically it will go to the YouTube channel. Save it. Let's verify this. Okay, I will close all this. I will close all this. Let's verify this. Let's go and play. If someone goes and click this YouTube, automatically it is going to the YouTube channel of KSR. If someone is clicking Instagram, automatically it is opening the Instagram account of KSR. Okay, now I want to verify this from my phone. So how to do it? Always please go and publish it. Unless and until you publish, these changes will not appear in your smartphone. Publish this. Go and publish this. Once you publish it, Go to your app, I will close it, I will reopen it. It will say that a new version of the app is available because just now I made a change. I will go and tap it so that it gets updated. Now listen carefully. The moment if I click a YouTube icon here, which is my thumb, I'm just clicking on it, you will not be able to see my thumb click, but see what is happening. What is happening? Directly our YouTube channel is opening. Imagine if I click Instagram, directly it is opening our Instagram. This is from where? This is from my smartphone. This is from where? This is from my smartphone. Okay. Now let's do another experiment now. If I go and click a phone tab, it should go phone to Mahesh, right? It should go phone to Mahesh. So what I will do, if someone clicks this, I will go and select this on select. It's actually false. I should go and write something called launch. I should go and write something called launch. And I'll say it's a telephonic number colon slash slash, and I have to give a KSR number. Okay, so I have to give a KSR support number. So what I will do, I will just say 919916961234. This is my support number for KSR. Okay, so the moment I click this, automatically the call should go to our support team. Okay, so this has been done. Launch, it will go to the URL. This will go to the launch of YouTube link, and this will go to the launch of calling button, and now WhatsApp, I don't know if you all people are aware of it. You can directly send a WhatsApp message by just dialing wa.me/91, or if I give 991696234. If I do this, automatically it will ask you, should I open this number, and you have to text it. Now if I open it, my WhatsApp will be opening. Okay, so if I want to text to someone, I can simply go and write wa.me/ and I can give a number. So anyone's number you want, you can directly go and give here. Automatically it will take you to the WhatsApp. Okay, so I'm going to write the same thing here on select. Okay, launch, and I'll say https://wa.me and 919916961234. Okay, so automatically this will take you to this number. Now let's verify this. If I go and play and click a WhatsApp, it is actually directly asking, do you want to open a WhatsApp? If I go and click this phone, it is asking, do you want to call you want to pick an app for call. So maybe this is not possible to test it here, but it is possible to test in my mobile phone. So what I'll do, I'll go and publish this. Okay, I'll go and publish this. Now let me open the my app. Go to Powerapps, click this app. A new version of the app is available. Just click this. Carefully observe. The moment if I dial a phone call, directly the call is going to Mahesh. The moment if I go and click this, automatically it is asking me, do you want to open with your phone? And automatically Mahesh number will be open. If I go and dial it, it will directly take you to our contact. Now, what if I click WhatsApp now? It is directly opening WhatsApp message of Mahesh. And I can just ask a message. Hi, I need an information about PPD course. Why only his number is opening? Because I've configured in such a way. Okay, why only his number is been opening? Okay, because I've configured in his details. All of you will be wondering, my manager is Mahesh, but you never see any personal chat between us. Only it will be with respect to app details or course details. Can anyone tell me why? He's my manager. I'm been with KSR for almost 5 years, but you never see any personal chat that we do. And this is directly I've opened the WhatsApp. You can just see some forward messages alone, but you can never see any single message. Reason?
Maybe official number.
No.
Official.
Any communication which I want to make with the KSR team, I have to do it with respect to Microsoft Teams. We are all working for an organization. Now here I can text whomever I want to text. I have to text from their KSR email ID. I am not supposed to text anyone in WhatsApp within KSR. because we're all working for an organization, right? Even in my company, in Microsoft, none of them know my number. Reason? Everything has to be maintained. We have to maintain a culture. I cannot call my manager directly over phone. My first choice of communication should always be Microsoft Teams. Not sure, today morning someone asked me message. Vamshi, I think, is part of this batch. Is asking, "Hi Santosh, could you please send me the barcode of KSR?" Okay, he was just asking. So he could have asked me in WhatsApp. He has my number. Why he did not ask in WhatsApp? Professionalism is what is required. You have to be so professional that all the communication should happen over your Teams. And why it's showing me busy? Of course, I am in the session. That's why it's showing busy. Now I have to respond to him. I'll simply go and attach the picture which is he asked for, and I'll send him. Now he should be able to see this barcode shortly. Once he comes online, of course, he's offline now. And he's also there in the class. So he should be able to acknowledge this now, and he should be able to download it. He could have sent me in WhatsApp. Why is sending in Teams? That's what I'm saying. In the organization, you have to text only through the Teams, or if you want to schedule it, you have to schedule the Teams meeting for us. Okay. Now let's go back to the app. So my phone call is working. Directly it will take you to the phone call, and Mahesh number will be dialed. Okay. And if I'm going and clicking a WhatsApp message, directly it will open the WhatsApp, and I can go and ask any question. If I go and click YouTube, directly it is going to open my YouTube channel. And directly if I go and open Instagram, the Instagram account, the official Instagram account of KSR is going to. Now that's the way we have made our app dynamic. But is it so difficult? Definitely no. I have clicked this. I have given on select launch. You can call to this number. WhatsApp, you just open a web WhatsApp and directly you give the number to whom you want to contact. You go and click a YouTube link. Directly this link will open the YouTube link, and Instagram will directly open your Instagram. Unfortunately, I don't know what is the Facebook password or Facebook ID, and we can also give that. Okay, we can also give that. Let me try. I really don't know. KSR Data Vision Facebook page. So if I open the Facebook page, I think copy the link address. I'll go here on this, go to the on select launch, and you paste this URL. Now directly it will take you to the Facebook. Directly it will take you to the Facebook. Now if I go and play this, it is directly going and take me to the Facebook. Okay. And that's what we can do as part of the links. Very easy. Usually whenever you can see that, you can also add a Twitter account, you can add a Facebook, you can add an Instagram, you can add a Twitter, you can add a Telegram, whatever you want, you can do. Now finally all these links are working. Of course, if I select this, it will not open because it's my laptop or even it's my desktop, but definitely it is going to work in my smartphone. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll go here, I'll go and publish the latest version. Now I'll go here. Now I'll open this. Powerapps, and I will close it, and I'll open this. It is going to ask me the app is updated. Please open it. And if I open it, and this is what I can see now. So telephone will work. Let's try Facebook. Directly it is opening KSR Facebook. This is a KSR Facebook page. Okay. If I want to open telephonic or WhatsApp, directly it is going to take to the WhatsApp. If I go and click a Instagram account, directly it is opening the Instagram account. As simple as that. Now, the functionality which I've implemented is this one: on select launch, on select launch, on select URL of the Facebook ID of the KSR, URL of the. If I open this directly, also it will open. You go and paste it in the URL, it will open our channel. But how it should happen? It should come from someone clicking it. So it will automatically go here. And if I go here, it will go and click the Instagram account. Don't tell me this is all coding. This is nowhere coding. This is called low code. I'm not saying zero coding. Powerapps, you can build an app with a zero coding or a less coding, right? That's what we call. But this is not a zero coding. It is called low code. Something I'm writing. Launch. It's a function. I want to navigate from one page to other page. I simply go and select this button. On click, what should happen? That is nothing but my on select. You please navigate to login screen. And that is nothing but it is taking you to the login screen. Okay. Now if I go and open it, automatically it should be going to the next page. Okay. Now, let me show you an example of how the app looks. Actually, I'm using broadband, but unfortunately, I don't have broadband act. So let me install that. Go to Play Store, go to Act FiberNet app. And this is the Act FiberNet app which you're seeing. And please be informed, I am downloading from Google Play Store. I'm going and installing this. This is my first page will look like. This will be like my first page will look like. Feel the advantage, get started. The moment if I click the get started, it is going to the next page. In the next page, it is going to ask new to the Act FiberNet or existing Act FiberNet. And please be informed, this is an official app of Act FiberNet. The moment if I click new to Act FiberNet, it is going to show the phone number. If I go and say existing, it is still going to ask the phone number. It's a different way. This app is something which is built by Act company and they have given to the Play Store. Now what I am going to do, I am going to build the same app with a different use case and I'm going to open from the Microsoft Store. I have already built this app. Let me show you how this looks like. See, this is a app which I've built. Is it exactly the same? Is it exactly the same? Get started. This is exactly the same. Of course, I have added some recipes here, Facebook account, WhatsApp account, all this. If I go and click this button, it is going to take me to the customer care of Act FiberNet. If I go and click a WhatsApp link, it is going to take me to the official ID of the Act. Okay. If I go and click this WhatsApp, it is officially going to take me to the Act FiberNet. And if you see, this is a business account of Act FiberNet. Maybe only registered mobile numbers can send the Act. Now I'll come back to this. If I click an Instagram page account, in my account, it is going to open the Act FiberNet Instagram page. And if I go and click a YouTube, directly it is going to take to the YouTube channel of Act FiberNet. This is how I have built Act app, which is exactly same like your Play Store app. This is a Play Store app. And this is something which I have built now in a Powerapps. Maybe I did not match exactly, but I was able to replicate it. Now, if I go and click new to Act FiberNet, here I'm going to, rather than giving a mobile authentication, I'm going to give a user ID and password. And if I say that I want to have an existing account, still it will go and ask the email ID and password. This is a different page. Are you getting confidence on yourself? Yes, I can also build an app. It's not a big deal. Yes. Yeah. I've told you many times, if you want to propose someone, propose with the app. As simple as that. Anyone can build. It's not a big deal. And never say that it's a zero coding. Let's say that it's a low coding. Low coding is what? Small functionalities. I have to write it. In Power BI, maybe we were writing DAX, but here we are going to write some expressions. With that expressions, I should be able to achieve it. Now, this is about the navigation we can see with respect to our app. Okay. Now, this is good. And I'm able to see a lot of applications. Okay. And the one app which you can see here, this is a Act FiberNet. And if you open in your mobile, you may not see many applications, but I can see a lot of applications because a lot of students have submitted this. So there was one person called Suparna. He was actually have given a BESCOM. Okay, it's basically Bangalore Electricity Supply. He has created an app for it. And as we know this, what is this app is known for? Okay, and this is something which is Baiju. Submit a ticket and you can raise a ticket saying that I have an issue with the network, and you can give the issue date and you can submit the request. Okay, this is a ticketing request. And I have also built a Swiggy app. I think I just built a basic application. It's just a single page. This is something called grocery smartphone. There's a login page. Okay, again, I'm repeating, the best application you people are going to give will be definitely used by KSR. Okay, for the last 4 to 5 batches, I am also looking for a good app. No one has come up with the app. So let's say there was a person called Divya. She has given a KSR app and it looks like this. Welcome to KSR app, WhatsApp. If you go and click this, it will take you to the login page. See how good it is. When all the students can do it, the previous batch students, why you cannot do it? Suhas has also submitted KSR app. Let's see. This is an app like, if I go and click a sign in, it's going to ask a sign in page and we can go and give the details. If we click WhatsApp, it is directly going to take the WhatsApp Mahesh number. And if I go and click this one, it's going to the second page. Like this, we can add it. Okay. So this is something which we can create any app as part of the app implementation. This is another screen. So like this, whoever builds the best screen, we will be using for our, can anyone tell what is this? My Edge app. Okay, it's nothing but KSR app only.
Hi, Santosh. Sorry to interrupt you. Can you please show any complex app which was created by our students?
I've already shown you the timesheet app, right? Did you attend all the classes?
Yeah, of course, I attended.
Yeah, that is an app that we have built as a project. That is a desktop application that we have built. This is a mobile application. That is a desktop application.
Okay.
This is some music app, it seems. Let's see. This I think I've already shown you, but I'm showing you in a smartphone. Click to new user. You can give the user ID details. And if you want to raise issue, you can always go and raise issue. This is really good. If you want to raise a ticket, you can always go and raise a ticket, and you can give the ticket description, time, registered mobile number, and you can go and submit it. For example, let's say, actually automatically it should get generated. And here I'll say music not playing. Please fix this issue, and register mobile number I can give, and I can select which date the issue has occurred today, and I can submit it. So automatically the ticket will be submitted to the team. Okay, of course, the person who is like not opening is not opened his database. So that's why it may not have submitted, but this is a success message. You will get it. And again, you can go back to the home page. Now, this is like an app that we can build. Okay. So the next thing which we are going to work now is the first page is implemented. All the tabs has been navigated. This has been launched. This has been launched. This is done. This is done. This is done. This is done. And the next step is how to go and create a user ID and password. Whenever you are using an application, the first thing you do is give the user ID and password. Again, there may be two options. One is directly you can create it. The other thing is directly, directly if you are like creating for the first time, your user ID and email will go and enter. But if already it is there, you can go and log in. So 3 buttons I need to add. Those 3 buttons are reset, sign up, login. For the first time, those who are logging in, for them, I'm going to give sign up. For already people who have created a credentials, I will go and give a login tab. And if something you enter and I want to reset it, I'll give a reset button. Let's say something is there. I want to have a reset button and I can go and give a reset tab. That is one thing which we can do it as part of the next step. Is it clear so far? Okay. So today we have seen about the navigations. In the next class, we will start implementing the login page. What is the actual implementation of login page? Clear? We'll stop here.